it's all gonna be good. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, nothing now. It's all gonna be good. So breathe like you know you should. Yeah, breathe till you've understood.
Hello friend, if we pay attention, Indonesia cuisine is very rich in history, some of which even emerged from a fusion of cultures with Europe nations in the past. One imitation of Europe-style steak transformed it into a very elegant and refreshing local dish. Is this culinary specially from the city of Surakarta? Yes, this is Salat Solo. Let's discern the unique history and components behind this legendary dish. When you heard the word salad, don't imagine an ocean spirating to Iceland. The word salad here actually comes from the Dutch word salade, meaning lettuce or salad. The history of Salad Solo began during the colonial era at the Surakarta fort and place. At that time, dark nobles loved steak with thick sauce. However, because the palate of the kings and the people of the Solo Palace preferred sweet flavor and pleasant spice, they modified the dish. Europe steak were reworked with local spice and a thinner, sweet sauce, giving birth to a culturally acculturated dish called salad. Salad solo is often described as a combination of steak, soup, and salad, due to its vibrant and nutrient dense ingredients. In a plate of salad solo, the star is the beef cutlet, often replaced with gelatin, a minced beef dish mixed with flour and eggs. Then steamed. Surrounding the meat are various fresh boiled vegetables such as green beans, carrots, french fries, sliced cucumber, lettuce, and boiled. The most striking difference between salad solo and Europe steak lies in the sauce and accompaniments. Salad solo is drizzling with a thin brown sauce that is predominantly sweet, savory, and fragrant, thanks to the use of spices like nutmeg, cloves, and sweet soy sauce. Furthermore, a unique addition to the dish is the local mustard sauce, also known as Sesame sauce. This yellow sauce made from a mixture of egg yolks, vinegar, and mustard provides us a slightly fresh sour sensation amidst the predominantly sweet salad sauce. The combination of the warm sauce, fresh vegetables, and savory meat creates a perfectly balanced dish. Salad solo is a true testament to the creativity of our ancestors who were able to transform Western dishes into local cuisine that is elegant, rich in flavor, and pleasing to the Indonesian plate. So, if you visit Solo, be sure to sample the freshness of this legendary salad solo. Thank you for watching this video, a segment. We hope this information has broadened our knowledge of traditional culinary tradition. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Keep your heartbeat beating, gone, breathing.